You cannot get comfortable at any stage of the business. You constantly need to challenge your own process and recreate your own systems to actually grow year by year. If brands can really invest in vernacular content, regional SEO, and probably identify or create enriching digital experiences, that would really help them grow in the coming years. Be genuine and ethical in your approach and be passionate with what you are trying to do, and the balance of both are required to create a sustainable growth.
Hi, I'm Anubhav from Bharat 2.0 Conclave, an initiative by the Enterprise World and the Business Viewpoint magazine. Today on the red carpet, I have here with me Mansi Rana from EZ Ranking. Hi, ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Amazing. I'm great as well.
Thank you.
So my first question for you is, what does Bharat 2.0 represent to you as a leader, and how do you think it matters today?
Well, for me, I would say Bharat 2.0 definitely is an amazing platform wherein leaders across industries can come and share their knowledge and learnings as in what's happening, insights and things like that. And obviously, it's a very good platform for meaningful interactions with the other leaders.
Excellent. What do you think was the toughest lesson that you've learned throughout your journey?
I would say my toughest lesson that I've learned throughout my journey is that you cannot get comfortable at any stage of the business. You constantly need to challenge your own process and recreate your own systems to actually grow year by year.
Excellent. And how do you think this lesson has shaped your leadership throughout?
I would say this lesson has definitely made me more confident in my approach and not panic as in what unexpected situations come my way. So I am pretty much open to what comes my way, be innovative with the solution and go forward.
Excellent. What is that one opportunity in Bharat that people are still underestimating?
I would say the businesses are really underestimating the power of regional content consumption. I'm sure we all will agree that millions of users are coming online every day across from tier 2, tier 3 cities, not just the metro cities. And with that, it actually if brands can really invest in vernacular content, regional SEO, and probably identify or create enriching digital experiences, that would really help them grow in the coming years.
Excellent. Amazing. And why do you think people are still overlooking this quality, this opportunity?
I feel that there's definitely a lack of understanding as in how to go about it, or they feel that they still have time, which is not really the case. So if we are able to create, once the brands are able to create an urgency, they are good to move forward.
Amazing.
So it's all about education and offering the right opportunities and understanding what's in store for them in the future.
Excellent. And where do you see Bharat, let's say in 5 to 10 years?
I would say I see Bharat as evolving as one of the largest digital economies in the world with UPI, AI, and the way businesses are flourishing across tiers, tier 2, tier 3. The way e-commerce is coming up, I see that's one of the amazing way Bharat is forming itself in the digital sphere.
Excellent. That was a great answer, ma'am.
Thank you.
Moving on to the next round, which is rapid fire. What is that one overrated or underrated leadership quality?
I would say overrated would be acting busy all the time. Underrated is genuinely trying to help people around.
Wow, that's a great answer. Which is your one go-to movie that you love to watch in your free time?
That would be Jerry Maguire for its amazing blend between relationship, ambition, and success.
That's a great pick, ma'am.
Thank you.
One leader you'd love to have a cup of tea or coffee with?
Absolutely, Sudha Murthy ma'am, for her simplicity, wisdom, and the leadership she brings to the table. If I can be a little more ambitious, I would love to have a coffee with Narendra Modi ji also, for his vision and understanding how he has been able to implement so many things on such a vast scale.
Oh, excellent. One reason leaders should attend Bharat 2.0 Conclave.
For sure, to gain access for across industries, how things are shaping up, and definitely networking.
Amazing. Lastly, one piece of advice that you'd like to give to young leaders or young entrepreneurs who are trying to make it in the industry right now.
I would say be genuine and ethical in your approach and be passionate with what you are trying to do. And the balance of both are required to create a sustainable growth.
Excellent.
So that's my piece of advice.
Amazing. That was a great advice, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much for your time.
Nice
it was
meeting
a pleasure
you.
talking to you.
Likewise. Thank you.